I am going to sound like air horn. Here I go.
Welcome to detention. There we will be not.
These as you both sold, are going to be here for.
Paris Latimer and Aisha Kinbakran, do you guys know why are you here?
Mandy, how dare you sound like horns, that's it.
You are grounded until New Year's Eve 2026.
This means no hanging out your boyfriend and grounding over Serigaki, Kuchiku and noise from dramatical murder for no damn reason or just like Megan Thee Stallion.
Now go to your room right now.
And don't start making that sound again.